Hi, we're here again at Discount Water Softeners with another tech video for our water softener systems. This one in particular is for a Fleck 5600 SXT metered water softener. This will show how to check the meter assembly for any of the SXT systems from Fleck. So they are identical in the 5600 SXT, the 5000 SXT, the 7000 SXT, and the 9100 SXT. All of them come with different bypasses, so this one is showing a stainless steel bypass, but you may have a plastic, Norol plastic bypass on yours. But they all will have a meter assembly in between the bypass and the valve body. This is your meter cable. Normally the meter cable at the end will have a tab that inserts into the opening of the meter assembly right here. This tab is what reads the turbine as it spins when the water goes through the water softener. Every gallon that goes through there is so many revolutions on the turbine, and that registers a gallon on the display of the water softener. If for some reason your water softener is not regenerating, not using salt, or not counting gallons, this is a simple tutorial showing you how to check that. So the first thing you would want to do is look at the display on your water softener with a fixture running on cold to see that your gallons are decreasing. So whatever your gallons start at, let's say it's 1,000 gallons, it should count down after a few minutes of running water, maybe 5 minutes. Check and make sure it's dropped down to 999. If not, what you can then do to check to see if the issue is with your meter cable or with the turbine is you can simply take a small magnet, a strong small magnet, and on the flat side of this meter tab, wave it up and back in front of it. Show that a little bit better there. Up and back within, a half inch or so. And on the front display with the unit plugged in, you should be able to see the flow indicator blinking, or the gallons should go down. So you want to wave that in front of there a good, 5 or, maybe do it 20, 25 times to make sure that it's sensing it. If it doesn't sense anything, then the issue is with your meter cable or the tab on the end. You can double check the connection at the circuit board and make sure that's nice and snug, unplug it and replug it back in. If it does read on the display, then your issue is in here with the turbine, and debris can get in there at the initial installation or years down the road, and it will prevent the turbine from spinning. So what you want to do is you want to put your unit into bypass mode, depressurize it, and then unscrew these two screws, pull this apart, and then check your meter. Just pull this out here. This is another meter assembly. This is what it looks like on the inside. You will actually see the actual turbine in here, and if you blow into it, it should spin. I don't know if you can see that. If it doesn't spin, you want to either unscrew this carefully and clear out any debris that's in there, or take a small screwdriver and just kind of force it through to make sure, but you got to be careful with it. Then reassemble it. Be careful not to over tighten these screws, because if you strip these out, they will, this meter assembly costs about $130. So make sure you put it back in place, put the meter tab back in there, make sure it clicks into place. So when you put it back in, it will bottom out and click into place and actually come through on the bottom here. So make sure it's nice and secure, and then you can check it by running your water again. So hopefully this helps. If you need any additional assistance, just email us at sales@discountwatersofteners.com, and we will be happy to further assist you. Thanks, and have a great day.